Shroom-fused dark chocolate honest review. So, this product combines premium dark chocolate with functional mushrooms like lion's mane and reishi, marketed for focus, mood, and relaxation. The pros of this product are the chocolate itself tastes rich and smooth, not overly bitter. You still get the classic dark chocolate flavor with a subtle earthy undertone. Many users report that milder stress levels and improved focus are gained after regular use. Plus, it's a fun way to add functional mushrooms to your diet without capsules. The cons are the effects are subtle. Don't expect dramatic changes overnight. If you don't like earthy flavors too, you may not enjoy the aftertaste. It's also more expensive than regular dark chocolates are. So, for the final verdict, if you enjoy dark chocolate and you are curious about mushroom benefits, Shroom Fused Dark Chocolate is a worth a try in 2025. But if you're only after strong results, supplements might give you more concentrated effects than this ones. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.